Looking for the best credit cards in the USA? You might be missing out on free cashback, travel rewards, and exclusive perks. With so many options available, choosing the right credit card can feel confusing, and picking the wrong one could cost you money in fees and interest. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the best credit cards in the USA and help you choose the right one for your needs. If you want simple and reliable cashback, this type of card is perfect. You earn rewards on every purchase you make, plus extra cashback on dining and travel. And the best part? Many of these cards come with no annual fee. Perfect for everyday spending. If you love traveling, a travel rewards card can completely change your experience. You can earn points on flights, hotels, and bookings, get bonus rewards, and even enjoy travel insurance benefit. This is ideal for frequent travelers. For daily expenses like groceries and subscriptions, some cards offer higher cashback. You can save more on supermarkets, earn rewards on streaming services, and manage your household spending more efficiently. If you want a premium lifestyle, high-end credit cards offer exclusive benefits. You get better dining rewards, luxury travel perks, and special access offers. But remember, these cards usually come with an annual fee. If you prefer something simple and hassle-free, flat cashback cards are a great choice. You earn a fixed percentage on everything, no complicated categories, just simple and effective rewards. Before choosing any credit card, keep these things in mind. Always check the annual fee, understand the interest rate, and most importantly, choose a card based on your spending habits. And never forget to pay your bill on time. So, these are the best credit card options in the USA. Choose wisely, maximize your rewards, and make your money work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, which credit card do you use?